Start game. Hard ball is received. Still safe. Dream Black. Tulong. Outside. Fast ball. Outside. Oh. Service, good target. Another fast ball. And it connects. Score 2-1. Service is Jim Black serving. Tight ball. Open. Still a good ball. Score 3-2 in favor of home. Jim Black, Genu, middle, double jump, good ball by Komi, drop ball, sa block. Score, all three. Jersey wearing number 4, high serving, receive by Komi. To 4, top ball, good receive. Net touch again. Drop ball in the point. One touch. Check ball. Service. Genu, behind, middle, black ball. Good receive, Jim Black, Kokomi. A side spike, good job. Score 6-3. Same serve. Jersey wearing number 27, Genu is received. To open. Black ball inside. Another receive. Genu. Over ball. Brandon. Point for Wayman. Score 8-3. Jump serve. Inside. Sorry, ma. Another jump serve. Outside. Goal. Sorry, ma. Appreciate. Easy ball, good receive. Jim Black to opposite. Outside. Same service, no ball. Good receive. Too fast. And black ball. Good job by hand. JMU. Pass ball to open. Check ball. Good ball. Tommy. Transition ball. Another chance. Good receive. Tommy there. Outside. Jersey number 5, here serving. Jim Tokami, nice set! Jersey number 6, Wingwood, serving. Good serve. Miscommunication, service ace. Serving again, Waylon, number 6. Looking for target. Dribbling the ball. Float serve. Inside. 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 Inside, inside. Inside, inside. Inside. Jersey number 6, Waylon. Good serve. And looking for a set. Too tight. Nice shot. Middle. Easy ball to open. Tommy. Jersey number 5. Eden. Good ball by Brandon. JMU, good receive. Tuhan, Eden. Black ball. Still a good ball. Jim Black looking for a set. Score 14-8. Now serving Tommy. Not over. Service good receive to open. Nice set. Black ball. Same server, good receive. Drop ball. Bad attempt. Score 14-11. Open another block. should be Same server, number 4, Han, a float ball. Brandon, yeah. Han, to open. Tap ball, Sipay coming, Jim Black, to open. Overset, black ball, check, ball. One time. Score, 17-15. Brandon serving. To open, Genu with the Andrew pace. Genu spiking with a fighting pace. Service in. Saved by the net. Now we're tied at 17. Not over. Jersey number 27 is received. 14 spiker. Mayo not over. Two-point lead by Jim's block team. And our good receive. Han and Mayo again. Outside. Is straight on the wall. Now lead at 3 points. Jersey number 27. Overreach. Backline. 21-17, 4-0 run by Jim Black's team. Jersey number 27, good serve. Open, GNU, trying to drop ball. Received by Komi, to opposite. Ever, black ball. Neo. What a good serve. Received by Komi. To pass. Misconnection. Score 21-19. Just a 2-point lead. Neo serving. A float ball. 27. Jim Black. Looking for Komi. Over receive. Waylon. Komi again. Trying. Inside. Next game, please go to the end line. 22-19. Emerson. Float ball. To by Mayo. Han. Open. What's the call rep? No touch outside. Emer serving. Receive and the service is score 24-19. Last 19 game point. Ever serving. Try again for service 8. A float ball. Good receive to open. Not over. Not over. No spike. Yeah, no spike. Dead ball, dead ball, dead ball. That's a dead ball, Ever serving. Inside, game 4. Next game, please go to the end line.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like